Do you have a perfect video shot that is ruined by an unwanted object? Maybe it is a stranger walking by, or a distracting piece of trash in the background. You do not need to reshoot, and you do not need complex skills. Today, I'm going to show you how to erase anything from your video using the AI Object Remover in Filmora 15. First, open Filmora and import your video clip. Drag and drop the footage onto your timeline. Now, click on the video clip to select it. Look at the Properties panel on the right side of the screen. Click on the Video tab, and then select AI Tools. Scroll down until you find AI Object Remover. Click the switch to turn it on. Now, use the Smart Brush tool to paint over the object you want to remove. Make sure you cover the entire object, including any shadows it casts. Once you have highlighted it, simply click the Remove button. Filmora will now analyze the background and intelligently fill the space. Wait for the processing bar to reach 100%. Look at the result. The unwanted object has vanished completely. It looks like it was never there in the first place. If this tool saved your video, please hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe for more Filmora editing tips.